Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of child safety with the best Evenflo SafeMax infant car seat base available. If you're a parent, you know that ensuring your child's safety while traveling is a top priority. And that's where the Evenflo SafeMax infant car seat base comes in. This innovative base is designed with one goal in mind: to keep your little one safe and secure during every journey. Let's talk features. First up, we have the anti-rebound bar. This bar is strategically placed to absorb and dissipate crash forces, providing an extra layer of protection for your baby in the event of a collision. Next, the belt lock-off feature makes installation a breeze. Say goodbye to struggling with tangled seat belts. With this feature, you can achieve a secure and accurate install every time, giving you peace of mind on the road. Now, let's talk adjustability. The Evenflo SafeMax infant car seat base features a 4-position adjustment dial and pendulum level indicator, ensuring proper installation in your vehicle. No more guessing if the seat is at the right angle. Safety is paramount, and Evenflo takes it seriously. This car seat base meets or exceeds applicable federal safety standards and Evenflo's side impact test standard, providing you with confidence in its performance. In summary, the Evenflo SafeMax infant car seat base is a must-have for any parent concerned about their child's safety on the road. With its innovative features, easy installation, and top-notch safety standards, it's a game-changer in the world of infant car seats. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on products you love. Until next time, drive safely.